This video is about how to remove red lines on Notes app. Okay, basically while typing on Notes app, some letters give suggestion like this. If we touch this, it gives correct format for some words, and also in some other cases it doesn't match our needs, so that red underline mark will stay. That usually we won't like that. So to remove the red line without changing the words, just hold space bar and move the cursor to near the last letter of the word and leave it that. Now you can see the red underline was gone. That's a magic trick. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps me, subscribe and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks.